हेलो फॉरेस्टी एस्पिरेंट, गुड आफ्टरनून। आपका स्वागत है हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल में। इस चैनल में हम फॉरेस्टी एग्जाम के रिलेटेड इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करेंगे, इसलिए सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो मिस ना हो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। National Forest Policy 1894 was introduced during Mughal rule, British rule, Portuguese rule, or French rule. So correct answer is British rule. Next question. The main aim of National Forest Policy 1894 was wildlife conservation, revenue generation, ecotourism, or social forestry. Correct answer is revenue generation. National Forest Policy 1952 was introduced after independence. Next option is emergency, green revolution, or liberalization. Correct answer is independence. So 4 is forest cover recommended in plain is 25%, 30%, 33%, or 40%. Correct answer is 33%. Forest cover recommended in hills is 40%, 50%, 60%, or 70%. Correct answer is 60%. The 1952 forest policy treated forest as private property, national asset, village land, or wasteland. Correct answer is national asset. The 1894 policy mainly supported commercial forestry, social forestry, urban forestry, farm forestry. So correct answer is commercial forestry. Functional classification was introduced in 1894, 1927, 1952, or 1988. So correct answer is 1952. Protection forests mainly conserve wildlife, soil or water, timber or bamboo. Correct answer is soil and water. Village forests mainly supply export timber, local needs, minerals or paper or pulp. Correct answer is local needs. The 1894 policy mainly benefited farmers, colonial government, NGOs or tourists. Correct answer is colonial government. The first forest policy after independence was 1894, 1927, 1952 or 1988. Correct answer is 1952. Which policy emphasized scientific forestry? 1894, 1952, both or none? So correct answer is 1952. The 1952 policy emphasized balanced land use, mining, urban growth or road construction. So correct answer is balanced land use. The 1894 policy mainly viewed forests as revenue source, tourist spot, national park or heritage site. Correct answer is revenue source. National Forest Policy 1952 promoted afforestation, deforestation, quarrying, encroachment. So correct answer is afforestation. The policy before 1988 was 1894, 1952, 1927 or 1980. Correct answer is 1952. Which forest supplies industrial timber? Protection forest, national forest, village forest or sacred grove? Correct answer is national forest. Which forest policy gave more importance to ecology than 1894, 1952 to 1927, 1894 or none of the above? So correct answer is here 1952. The 1952 policy aimed to resource soil erosion, population, rainfall or export. Correct answer is soil erosion. The National Forest Policy 1894 focused on administration, recreation, sports or fishery. Correct answer is administration. Forest prevents floods are called national forest, protection forest, village forest or mining forest. So correct answer is protection forest. National Forest Policy 1952 encouraged land management, illegal felling, open grazing or encroachment. Correct answer is land management. 1/3 forest covered refers to cultivable land, total geographical area, irrigated area or wasteland. Correct answer is total geographical area. Forests for village prelude are national forest, village forest, protection forest or reserve forest. Correct answer is village forest. National Forest Policy 1952 emphasized national welfare, private profit, export trade or tourism. Correct answer is national welfare. The 1894 policy mainly encouraged timber production, wildlife tourism, carbon trading, or eco restoration? Correct answer is timber production. Forest protecting catchments are village forest, protection forest, national forest, or farm forest. Correct answer is protection forest. The 1952 policy supported sustained forest clearance, mining expansion, or urban expansion. So correct answer is sustained. Which policy first recognized forest as national asset? 1894, 1952, 1988, or 2006? So correct answer is 1952. So guys, आज यहाँ तक ही. Thanks for watching.